So welcome back to the channel. We're going to be changing some headlight rings today. We're going to be replacing them with the black, dechroming the car. Now, these headlight rings are kind of tricky. I literally don't know anyone who knows how to take these off. And I've done a pretty bad job of trying to take it off. But I think these clips are just meant to be broken, it seems. So I've gone ahead and just broken the clips, and I'm just gonna pop the new one on. The rings do come with a letter on the bottom, so this actually tells you which side to put it on. So obviously I've taken off the left side, which is the driver's side in the United States, and this makes it so you don't put it on the wrong side. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the black one on this side, and then we're gonna try and release the clips on the right side. Okay, after taking the left one off, I think I know how to get them off cleanly now. So basically you can stick a screwdriver here and sort of pry it back in this space right here, and it will release. So you have to do that around to each one. I'm guessing if you get enough of them released, it'll just pop off, but I'm gonna try that now. Well, I tried it, and I have 2 clips left on it. They just all popped off. So good luck. If someone knows how to actually take these off cleanly without breaking these clips, please let me know. I'm dying to see if that's possible. Popping the new one on is pretty simple. So you just line it up, and you actually just as you can see there, from the back side, you just press in until it snaps. And you just make your way around, and it will snap in. And it's locked, it's good. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.